everyone. Good evening. So, our goals are affecting us. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you move, the way you dress. Your goals affect your handshake, affect your personality, affect your attitude. All day long, we're being affected by our goals. Now, some people, merong ibang tao na merong goals. Pero, may tinatawag tayong strong goal and lousy goal. So, merong mga tao na ang goal nila is magbayad lang ng bills. Kumita para mabayaran ng bills na meron sila. That's a lousy goal. A small goal. It's a goal, pero ang napakababang klase ng goal. So, merong Bible philosophy na pwedeng matutunan natin, and it teaches us whatever we go or whatever we want. Asked if there's one art in our life, this is one of the art. Asked. And what is asking? What do you want? Merong tatlong key points as with intelligence. Intelligence asking means how, why, how high, how soon, what size, what color, or how much. Be clear, be specific. Goes like a magnet that pull you that directions, and the more that you describe it, the more you attract it. Number 2, being a childless part of this equation, believe what you want. Believe that you get what you want. Like a child. Because adults are too skeptical. Make plans like adult, but believe like a child. Remember that you won't get everything that you want. Just simply sometimes it hails on your crop or it rains on your parade, so you won't get everything that you want. If you want to get going on the goals that you are setting, so have a formula that you can use how to get the goals that you want, and believe that you have it. So your goals affecting you every day, every moment, every single time of your life. What you decided to do that will affect your goal. Hope you learn something. Thank you everyone, and get